Hey guys, how are you? It is like 9:20 in the evening here in Colorado. I have been filming all day long. I'm doing a special knit along this fall that I'm preparing for. So I have been in the studio literally all day ever since I finished the podcast. And I haven't been upstairs except to go to the bathroom. I didn't go get the mail. I've just been working, busy. So about an hour ago, my husband brought down dinner and he brought it down on a special tray. And I was like, what's that? And I'm so excited about this. It's almost ridiculous how excited I am about this, you guys. Kristen, you know what this is. Kristen knows what this is. I got a little something special from YouTube today. If you don't know what this is, you guys, this is a silver play button in here for hitting 100,000 subscribers, which I did last year, but I'm just now getting my play button. I haven't even opened it yet. I was like, I've got to open it on air. I've got to let you guys enjoy this excitement because I'm so thrilled about it. Hi, Terry. Hi, Chris. Hi, Caitlin. Hi, Susan. Hi, Vicky. Hi, Kristen Mangus. Hi, Bunny. So many of you are here. Hi, guys. I'm so happy you're here. Kendra, play button. Yes, it's a play button. I'm so thrilled. I'm super excited. So I thought I would open it live on air with all of you so that you can see what it's all about, right? Yes, Chris, this is the shawl you made for me. You were the contractor for this. This is one of the Tournament of Stitches shawls. This will also be released as a pattern here in the next couple weeks. But I thought it looks really good. You want to see it? Doesn't it look good? I love it. I never wear a shawl the way I guess that they're intended to be worn, where they're on your back and then just hang over the front of your shoulders. Like, it's just not how I wear shawls. I never do. I always wear them like this, wrapped around my neck. I think it looks cool. So if you guys are ready, I can pop this open. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. My son Josiah is like equally as excited. He's like, I've seen all of these unboxings and these buttons on YouTube. I've never seen one in real life. I'm so excited to see one in real life. So it's pretty exciting. Hi, Cheryl. Hi, Michelle Hunter. All right, guys, I'm opening it. Good Knit Kisses says, hi, I'm putting a ton of hearts up. Oh, I love you, Kristen Mangus. Okay. I don't know. Man, they really tape this up. I feel like it's Christmas. How do they do it? Here. Oh. Oh, okay. All right, so here we go. Let's do this together. Okay. Okay, so there's something written here. Let's read what it says. It says, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. I'm going to cry. It's so exciting. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, because you've found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off for now, but you're closer than you think. We're rooting for you, and congratulations, YouTube. That's so cool. Okay, what does it say? This is congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. So Rick, here's my award, you guys. Can you see it? I mean, there's a glare. It says Marley Bird for passing 100,000 subscribers. How cool is that? Oh my gosh, that's so cool. This is so exciting. So many of you are here saying, yay, I'm so happy. I know it's such a little thing, you guys. I know it's such a little thing, but if you only knew how much work goes into each of these videos, both the preparation for them, the editing for them, the upkeep of the comments and everything. I mean, it's just, there's so much work. So any sort of little recognition, that's amazing. Oh my gosh, I couldn't even imagine what 1 million would feel like. Oh my gosh. I'm not crying. I can't believe I'm not crying. I just feel like I have a permagrin on my face. Yeah, so hey, what do you guys say? Do you want to take the challenge? Let's try and get there to 1 million, not 1,000. Did I say 1,000? I don't know. I can't even talk anymore. 100,000. Why don't we try and make it to 1 million? Let's see if we can do it. I think we can. 1 million knitters and crocheters. I mean, Ravelry has 8 million. I'm sure I can get 1 million. We could do this. Super cool. So I just wanted to share this with all of you, all of Marley's minions who have made this possible, quite literally. It's so cool. It's so cool. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So there you have it, guys. I opened it up live on air with all of you. You know what it's all about. Hopefully we will get a 1 million subscriber sometime in our lifetime, and we'll be able to watch that one. I couldn't even imagine what like 10 million would be with that diamond one. Oh my gosh, that would be intense. Gosh, I love all your hearts, you guys. They're so sweet. Thank you for all of the hearts and the love and your care and your generosity. You guys are also awesome. So thank you very, very much, you guys. I'd like to thank the Academy. Thank my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Thank my family, my husband for bringing me meals down here at 8 o'clock at night as I'm working because he knows I've got to get these deadlines done. It wouldn't be possible without him. Now I'm going to cry because he's pretty amazing. So that's it. That's it. I did it, guys. I'm happy to share it with all of you. If you get a chance, please share the Marley Bird YouTube channel with your friends. A place for you to have better knitting and crochet videos to make you a better knitter or crocheter. All right, guys, I'm going to go. Talk to you later. Bye.